Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 recipes using zucchini. Yes, this recipe is very good during summer and you can pre-make it. Just give it a try, okay? So the first recipe I'm going to be showing you, my zucchini is already washed, so go ahead and wash your fresh zucchini, cube them, like cut them into 2 and start cutting them in cubes, just like what I'm doing here, okay? So after cutting the zucchini or cubing this zucchini, add them into your pots. Add water that will be able to cook the zucchini. It can be at the same level with the zucchini, or just make sure that the water is okay for the cooking. Add some salt, put the lid on and send them to cook until they are soft. So here is the lemon I'm using, 1 garlic and mint leaf. I'm also going to be using the extra virgin of olive oil. So here my zucchini is fully cooked, as you can see. So I'm going to set that aside to cool down. Like, you don't want to mix this when the zucchini is hot, so allow the zucchini to cool down, okay? So the zucchini is completely cool down now I'm going to start mixing the other ingredients. So I'm adding the garlic first into the zucchini, and now I'm going to be adding the fresh frozen mint. So now I'm going to add half of that lemon juice into the zucchini, cooked zucchini. So after adding the lemon juice, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and extra virgin of olive oil. Go ahead and mix all this together, mix them very well. You can pre-make this and leave it in the fridge. They last in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, okay? This is one of Italian canton, okay, and it's very good when you have it with bread, like those Italian type of bread. So this is the second recipe. The zucchinis are clean already, so go ahead and cut them in a flat way, just like what I'm doing here. I love to pre-cut my own at night, like in the evening, and fry them the following day. This helps to get rid of that zucchini water, like the liquid from zucchini. So here is the following day. As you can see, the zucchini is dry. That sticky water is not anymore there, like that sticky liquid. So yeah, but you can actually cut and fry your own immediately, okay? So here is my oil over the heat. So I'm going to go ahead to fry all the zucchini, both sides, until golden brown. So I'm done frying all the zucchini and allow them to cool down again. So there I have garlic, mint leaf, some vinegar. This is grape vinegar. I'm also going to be using extra virgin of olive oil. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the mint into the zucchini, then add the garlic. I'm using a clove of garlic, okay? So I'm using about 4 tablespoons of vinegar. I added extra into it. Now I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil. and a pinch of salt. Go ahead and mix everything together, guys. This particular zucchini can last in the fridge for 4 days and it still come out very, very good. So I'm going to be showing you another recipe to do with this particular zucchini here, or you can still try the other recipe I showed you with this same method. Okay, so here I'm done mixing everything together. Trust me, if you soak this zucchini into bread, like not sliced bread, that's other kind of strong bread, they call it grano duro here in Italian, my god, you will enjoy it. So the third recipe is with pasta. So as you can see, I'm cooking the pasta already, so go ahead and cook your pasta. Okay, so while the pasta is cooking, this is my cherry tomatoes. I'm going to be using about 150 grams of it, or you can use 100 grams, depends the quantity you are making. Okay, so after washing and slicing your tomatoes in cube, add a clove of garlic into the tomatoes. Add extra virgin of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil, a pinch of salt or to taste. So go ahead now and mix everything after adding the fresh basil leaf. Mix everything together just like my husband is doing there. Just press down, make sure you get the tomatoes juice out. So the pasta is cooked and he added the pasta into the tomatoes. This is a fresh tomatoes, mind you. Fresh tomatoes, basil leaf, garlic, oil and salt. So after mixing them, he's going to add the fried zucchini, not all, just enough to contour the zucchini into the pasta. So mix the zucchini, the pasta, the fresh tomatoes together. Lastly, he's going to be adding about 250 grams of fresh ricotta cheese. If you don't have ricotta and you have any other cream cheese you love, you can use it. Okay, so go ahead and mix everything together, guys. Here you have your fresh pasta, fresh cold pasta for summer. You don't sweat and this tastes amazing. Like, this is pasta that you never ever had. So give it a try. I'm dishing out for my son. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Give this a try and come back and thank me.